I used to just jump straight into the questions and answer them based on luck. Now I know of a more structured way of answering and how to really score. In less than a year of joining Learning Journey, my grades was like B4 and it improved to A2 for O-level. Learning Journey taught me the different types of compre questions. So now I know how to answer it. I've learned how to use the HOK-SSL method in my essay writing, and it really helped my essay to improve. I was usually getting a B4, but I could now jump to an A2. So that method really helped me to form a very impressive first paragraph so that I really made a good impression on the examiner. I really enjoyed how my teacher was always very lively and helpful, which made me very comfortable to ask any questions I would like. I recommend it as I just feel that the techniques that they teach us does help us to score that mark. My command of English did improve a lot. I'm not sure what I want to do in the future yet, but I know that any jobs that I would like to pursue in the future, having a good command of English is definitely very helpful. Thank you Learning Journey for helping me achieve an A2 in O-levels and helping me to love the English language more.